Hi, welcome to Archiversity online classes. While doing research on stocks or stock price related topics, many times you may require stock market data also. In the sense, you may require broad market indices data or sector specific funds data or large cap stocks data or pharmaceutical industry data likewise. So you may require different indices values. Now in this lecture, I'll show you how to calculate stock market index data from Bombay Stock Exchange of India official website. Bombay Stock Exchange has a different indices. I'll show you how to download data of a BSE Sensex, which is called as a broad market index in Indian context. The official website of Bombay Stock Exchange of India is www.bseindia.com. Here is the official website of Bombay Stock Exchange of India. Once you reach this page, click on Markets. A new page will open with the various products of Bombay Stock Exchange of India. Here, click on Indices. Here you will find different types of market indexes, like a broad market index like S&P BSE Sensex 50, then Bharat 22, then sector industries, thematic, strategy, sustainable, volatility likewise. Now to source or to download historical indices values, onto the right side corner you will find historical indices data. Now click on this. This will take you to a new page where a historical information is available. Now just scroll down the page and you will find a button with the indices. Click on the indices button here. Now you will find indices historical prices. Click on indices historical prices. A new page will open and it will prompt you to select the index. Now click the down arrow here to list out all the indexes. So here we have a BSE Sensex, BSE 50, BSE Sensex next 50, large cap, mid cap likewise. So we'll download data for BSE Sensex. Click on this. Then a time period. You have options of selecting daily, monthly or yearly. Let us say we want a daily. And then here you enter the time period from what date to what date. So here I'll take 2019 Jan 1st. That is from Jan 1st 2019 to August 31st 2020. Once you select your dates, click on a submit button. And here you will see indices S&P BSE Sensex from Jan 1st 2019 to 31st August 2020. So onto the right side you will find a download button. So click on this download button. Once you click on a download button, it will prompt you to save the file. And the file type is Microsoft Excel comma separated values file, popularly known as CSV file. So you can name this file as BSE Sensex 219 to 2020. So just I'm giving a random name here. Then click on a save button. The data is downloaded. Just click on this downloaded CSV file. You can see the data here. Now you will find some hashtags here. Don't worry about this. Just this is a adjustment, column adjustment. What is that you need to do is click on the left side corner here where you will find a triangle. Click on this, that is between column name and row number. Then place your cursor on any of the column dividing lines. You will see your cursor will transform to a small plus icon. Double click on this. Then the data is adjusted. So here is your data. This is how you need to calculate market index values from Bombay Stock Exchange of India. Thank you.